Welcome back to AlternativeInfoAI. Could AI be secretly controlling and even eliminating non-compliant humans? In this video, we dive into a controversial theory about AI's role in enforcing a global agenda.
Imagine a world without secrets. Every word you type, every website you visit, every message you send, and every call you make, every corner you turn is recorded, monitored, and stored. Your face, your voice, your very gait analyzed and categorized. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality we're sleepwalking into. The digital age has birthed powerful tools, chief among them artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries from healthcare to transportation, making our lives more efficient and connected. Proponents hail AI as the key to a brighter future, promising advancements that could solve some of humanity's most pressing problems. But what if this technology in the wrong hands could be used to silence dissent and control populations? What if the very tools designed to protect us become instruments of oppression? This isn't about tinfoil hats and conspiracy theories. It's about the real and present danger of unchecked surveillance and the erosion of privacy. It's about asking tough questions about the tools being built and who gets to control them, who watches the watchers, and who holds them accountable. It's about looking beyond the shiny promises of progress and confronting the potential for dystopian overreach. We must be vigilant and proactive in safeguarding our freedoms, because the line between utopia and dystopia, it's razor thin. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. We must ensure that the future we build is one where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The power of AI should be harnessed for good, with transparency, accountability, and respect for human rights at its core. Here's the theory in a nutshell. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data, could be used to identify individuals deemed non-compliant by those in power. This isn't just a futuristic concept, it's happening now, subtly and pervasively. Think social media posts, online purchases, even private conversations, all analyzed for signs of dissent. Every like, share, and comment is scrutinized, every purchase logged, and every message scanned for keywords that might indicate non-conformity. This isn't about catching terrorists or stopping crime. It's about maintaining control, ensuring that no one steps out of line. The technology that was once seen as a tool for safety is now a mechanism for control. It's about identifying and silencing those who dare to question the status quo. Drones hover over protests, journalists find themselves under constant surveillance, and individuals are tracked relentlessly. Think political activists, journalists, even everyday citizens expressing unorthodox views. The implications are chilling. The very essence of free speech and democracy is under threat. Imagine a world where expressing an unpopular opinion could land you on a government watch list, deny you access to services, or worse. Your digital footprint becomes a tool for your own oppression. Sounds far-fetched? Let's talk about the World Economic Forum. This influential body discusses the future of technology and governance, and their decisions could shape the very fabric of our society. The World Economic Forum, WEF, a gathering of the world's elite, has become synonymous with the idea of a great reset, a radical transformation of society and the global economy. Critics allege this reset involves using technology, including AI, to usher in a new era of technocratic control. The WEF argues its agenda is about solving global challenges like climate change and inequality. But some see a more sinister motive, the consolidation of power in the hands of a select few, with AI as their weapon of choice. Are these allegations grounded in reality or the stuff of conspiracy theories? The answer, like most things, is complicated. Let's get specific. How could AI be used to identify non-compliant individuals? Imagine an algorithm that scours your online activity for keywords, browsing history, and social connections. Express support for a banned political party, red flag. Share an article critical of government policy, another red flag. Donate to an organization deemed extremist, you're on the list. The scariest part? This technology already exists. facial recognition, sentiment analysis, and predictive policing are already being deployed by governments around the world. It's not a giant leap to imagine these tools being used to silence dissent under the guise of maintaining order. Digital exile, the price of nonconformity. So you've been flagged as a dissident. What happens next? The possibilities are as varied as they are disturbing. Imagine being denied access to social media, online banking, or even essential government services. Your credit score plummets, your job prospects vanish, and you're effectively ostracized from society, all because an algorithm deemed you a threat. This isn't about free speech, it's about social control. It's about creating a society where people are afraid to speak their minds, lest they face the wrath of the algorithm. The China Syndrome, a glimpse into the future. If this all sounds a bit too Black Mirror, consider China's social credit system. While not solely AI-driven, it offers a chilling glimpse into a future where technology is used to monitor and control citizens' behavior. Want a loan? Better not have jaywalked recently. Applying for a job? Your social media posts will be scrutinized. The system is designed to reward good behavior and punish bad, creating a society of self-censoring citizens too afraid to step out of line. Is this the future we want? A world where our every move is tracked and judged by invisible algorithms. The other side of the coin, progress or control. Now, to be fair, there's another side to this story. Proponents argue that AI can be a force for good, helping to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. AI can help diagnose diseases, develop life-saving treatments, and even combat climate change. It can automate tedious tasks, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling endeavors. The question isn't whether AI is inherently good or bad, but how we choose to use it. Will we harness its power for the benefit of humanity or allow it to become a tool of oppression? The human factor. Can we trust ourselves with AI? This question is more pressing now than ever before. The real danger of AI isn't some Terminator-style robot uprising. It's far more insidious and subtle, often creeping into our lives without us even realizing it. The real danger lies in our own human flaws, our greed, our lust for power, our capacity for cruelty. These flaws can be amplified by AI, making the consequences even more severe. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or evil. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve healthcare, and solve complex problems. But it also has the potential to be misused, leading to privacy invasions, job displacement, and even autonomous weapons. The responsibility ultimately lies with us, the creators and users of this technology. We must be vigilant and proactive in ensuring that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. We need to have a serious conversation about the ethical implications of AI, about transparency and accountability. This includes setting clear guidelines and regulations to govern its use, about the potential for bias and discrimination. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases if not carefully monitored and corrected. We need to ensure that this technology serves humanity, enhancing our lives and creating opportunities for all, not the other way around. By fostering a culture of ethical AI development, we can harness its power for the greater good and avoid the pitfalls that come with unchecked technological advancement. The choice is ours. So, is AI being used to control and eliminate dissenters? The answer, my friends, is not a simple yes or no. It's a question we all need to grapple with. The future is not predetermined. It's a choice we make every day, with the decisions we make, the technologies we embrace, the voices we choose to listen to. The world is changing faster than ever before. The question is, will we be the masters of our own destiny or slaves to the algorithms we create? Let's stay vigilant and informed.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.